Hey guys, it's Victor, and today I'm going to bring you a tutorial on how to get a crosshair in Dead by Daylight. This can be extremely helpful when you're trying to go for flashlight saves or when you're playing huntress or deathslinger. In any of these circumstances, a crosshair can help, or if you just like the look of having one in the center of your screen for any particular reason. So the first thing you want to do is go to the top link in the description, which is going to bring you to this GitHub website, and you want to click download crossover for Windows. You're going to have to scroll down a bit and it'll be right here. Now that you download it, you're going to want to open it once it finishes downloading. Once you open it, it'll open the crossover installer, and you just wait for it to install itself. Very simple process here. There we go. And now that crossover is installed, you will see that it will show up somewhere on your desktop, the startup button. You just want to open that up. Now you can see the crosshair is just set on my screen. And this isn't exactly what we want. This isn't a great crosshair. There's lots of options. You can choose many different versions, and let's go. You can even make an animated one. So let's go with the crosshair. Very simple. Let's just go with one of these dots right here. Now, as you can see, I chose the red dot, but it has the yellow little overlay right here because I can change that color here. And you can change that to anything you want, and you can also make the background any color you want as well. Change the size, any of that type of thing. I'll just stick with the dot. Now, once you've done that, you can move this anywhere you want. However, most of you will probably want this at the center of your screen, so you want to press Control Alt Shift R, and I'll move it directly to the center of your screen, and it will also reset it. So you don't want to move it after you do that. We'll go back to red. There we go. Now that you've done that, you want to click Control Alt Shift X, and it will take away the menu, and you can't click on this and it will not get in the way. It will just be a helpful tool while playing Dead by Daylight. Now you want to open up your Dead by Daylight. You can see it stays there and cannot click it. It is just in the center of your screen to help you out in any type of situation that you need it. As you can see, Dead by Daylight is now opening and it's still there. And while you're in your games, in your huntress games, or in your trying to get flashlight saves, or any of those type of things, which can be pretty important to the game, especially if you're a huntress or deathslinger main, this crosshair or whatever dot or whatever you want it to be will be there to help you aim and to help you do whatever you want to win your games. And it is definitely not bannable, so lots of known people in the community have used crosshairs, and yeah, you can see everything works out. Now, if this video helped you out and it worked for you, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.